Modern periodic law. Next point from the topic periodic classification of the elements. The scientific world did not know anything about the interior of the atom before the Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. After the discovery of electron, the scientists started exploring the relation between electron number of an atom and the atomic number. Atomic number in the Mendeleev's periodic table only indicated the serial number of the elements. So students, we have studied about the Mendeleev's periodic table. In case of Mendeleev's periodic table, Mendeleev put forth his periodic table according to the increasing order of the atomic masses of elements. After the discovery of electron, that means when the Mendeleev put forth his periodic table, there were no any discovery of the electrons. But after the discovery of electron, the scientists explore the relationship between the electron number of an atom and the atomic number. So atomic number, तर ज्यावेळेस त्या ॲटॉमिक इलेक्ट्रॉनची डिस्कवरी झाली तर त्यानंतर सायंटिस्टने इलेक्ट्रॉन नंबर ऑफ ॲन ॲटम आणि त्याचबरोबर ॲटॉमिक नंबर, इलेक्ट्रॉन नंबर ऑफ ॲन ॲटम आणि ॲटॉमिक नंबर यामधला रिलेशन काय आहे नेमकं हे शोधून काढण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. Atomic number in Mendeleev's periodic table only indicated the serial number of the element. मेंडेलिव्हच्या पिरियडिक टेबलमध्ये त्याने जे एलिमेंट्स अरेंज केलेले होते अकॉर्डिंग टू द इन्क्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द ॲटॉमिक मासेस, द ॲटॉमिक नंबर जस्ट इट इज द सिरियल नंबर ऑफ द एलिमेंट. इट इंडिकेट ओनली द सिरियल नंबर ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स. In 1913 AD, the English scientist Henry Moseley demonstrated with the help of experiments done using the X-ray tube that the atomic number Z of an element corresponding to the positive charge of the on the nucleus or the number of protons in the nucleus of the element. These revealed that atomic number is a more fundamental property of an element than its atomic mass. परंतु इन 1930 AD जे इंग्लिश सायंटिस्ट हेनरी मोस्ले यांनी त्यांच्या एक्सरे ट्यूबच्या एक्सपेरिमेंटद्वारे असं शोधून काढलं, ही डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटेड दॅट द ॲटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ ॲन एलिमेंट विच इज करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द ॲटॉमिक नंबर जो आहे कोणत्याही एलिमेंटचा, इट इज जनरली करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जेस प्रेझेंट इन द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ ॲन ॲटम. सो दीज पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जेस आर नथिंग बट द नंबर ऑफ protons. So atomic number are regarding with the number of the protons in the nucleus. So that the atomic number from the invention of this property, ज्यावेळेस या प्रॉपर्टीचा शोध लागला की ॲटॉमिक नंबर जो आहे दॅट मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स इन द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द एलिमेंट, this atomic number is more fundamental property than the atomic mass. Accordingly, the statement of the modern periodic laws stated as follows. The modern periodic laws जे स्टेटमेंट आहे सिमिलरली मेंडेलिव्हज पिरियडिक लॉ प्रमाणे आहे, फक्त त्या ठिकाणी ॲटॉमिक मासच्या ऐवजी ॲटॉमिक नंबरचा या ठिकाणी मेन्शन करण्यात आलेला आहे. सो हिअर व्हॉट इज द मॉडर्न पिरियडिक लॉ? द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स आर पिरियडिक फंक्शन ऑफ दिअर ॲटॉमिक नंबर्स. Properties of elements, which are the properties, chemical and physical properties which are shown by each and every element, are periodic function. Periodic, that means the after certain gap or after definite interval of time, some of the elements shows the similar chemical and physical properties, and these similar chemical and physical properties are due to their atomic numbers. Modern periodic table, long form of the periodic table. The classification of elements resulting from an arrangement of the elements in an increasing order of their atomic numbers in the modern periodic table. The properties of the elements can be predicted more accurately with the help of modern periodic table formed on the basis of the atomic numbers. The modern periodic table is also called the long form of the periodic table. So students, जे modern periodic table आहे हा मेंडेलिव्हच्या periodic table प्रमाणे ॲटॉमिक मासवर बेस नाही, तर या ठिकाणी जे काही एलिमेंट्स अरेंज केलेले आहे, द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स इन ॲन इन्क्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ दिअर ॲटॉमिक नंबर. तर सगळ्या एलिमेंट्सचं अरेंजमेंट इन्क्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द ॲटॉमिक नंबरनुसार केलेले इन मॉडर्न पिरियडिक टेबल. सो द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द एलिमेंट, जे काही केमिकल आणि फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज एलिमेंट्स दाखवणार आहेत, दे कॅन बी प्रेडिक्टेड more accurately with the help of modern periodic table, which are formed on the basis of atomic numbers. The modern periodic table is also called long form of the periodic table. So student, this is the another name for the modern periodic table. This modern periodic table is also called the long form of the periodic table. In the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in accordance with their atomic number. As a result, most of the drawbacks of the Mendeleev's periodic table appear to be removed. However, the ambiguity about the position of the hydrogen is not removed even in the modern periodic table. So students, in this modern periodic table, all elements are arranged in accordance with their atomic number. But so that the drawbacks which are present in the modern Mendeleev's periodic table, these are appear to be removed. But there is ambiguity is present in modern periodic table also about the position of hydrogen atom. तर या हायड्रोजन एलिमेंट्सच्या पोझिशनशी रिलेटेड जी ambiguity आहे, this is also present in modern periodic table also. We have seen in the previous standard the electronic configuration of an atom. The way in which the electrons are distributed in the shells around the nucleus is determined by the total number of the electrons in it. And the total number of the electrons in an atom is the same as the atomic number. The relation between atomic number of an element and its electronic configuration is clearly seen in the modern periodic table. So student, we know that what is atomic number. Atomic number is nothing but the number of protons which are present in the nucleus of an atom, or it is the number of electrons which are present in the specific orbit and revolving around the nucleus. So that there is a relation between the electronic configuration and the number of electrons of an atom, because electronic configuration is nothing but the way in which the electrons are distributed in the shells around the nucleus, and this is determined by the total number of the electrons in it, that means the atomic number of the element. Structure of the modern periodic table. Now student, we will study about the structure of modern periodic table. See here, the structure of modern periodic table. The modern periodic table contains 7 horizontal rows called periods 1 to 7. Similarly, the 18 vertical columns in this table are the groups 1 to 18. The arrangement of the periods and groups results in the formation of the boxes. Atomic numbers are serially indicated in the upper part of these boxes. Each box corresponds to the place for one element. So in modern periodic table, if we observe the structure for the modern periodic table, see here, this is the structure of modern periodic table. In the modern periodic table, the vertical columns, these from 1 to 18, the 18 vertical columns are present, which are known as groups, and 7 horizontal rows are present. These 7 horizontal rows are present, which are known as the periods. That means in modern periodic table 18 groups are there, 18 groups and 7 horizontal rows, that means periods are present. Due to the rows and periods, these rows and periods, they show the formation of these boxes, and in these boxes the elements are placed according to the increasing order of their atomic number, and the atomic number of each and every elements are written on the upper part. See here, the hydrogen atomic number is written at the upper position. Magnesium atomic number 12, this is also written on its upper position. In this way, this is the structure of the modern periodic table. Then what is given next? Apart from these 7 rows, the 2 rows are shown separately at the bottom of the periodic table. These are called lanthanide series and actinide series respectively. There are 118 boxes in the periodic table, including 2 series. It means that there are 118 places for the elements in the modern periodic table. Very recently, formation of few elements were established experimentally, and thereby the modern periodic table is now completely filled. All the 118 elements are now discovered. So student, apart from the 7 rows, we know that in the modern periodic table the 7 rows are present, but apart from the 7 rows, these 2 rows are present at the bottom of this table. These 2 rows are known as the inner transition elements. So these elements are, these are the lanthanide series, and bottom one is actinide series. All about 118 elements are placed in this modern periodic table. Now last paragraph, the entire periodic table is divided into the 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. The S block contains 2 group. The groups 13 to 18 constitute the P block and group 3 to 12 constitute the D block, while the lanthanide and actinide series at the bottom form the F block. The D block elements are called transition elements. A zigzag line can be drawn in the P block elements, P block of the periodic table. The 3 traditional types of the elements can be clearly shown in the modern periodic table with the help of this zigzag line. The metalloid elements lie along the border of this zigzag line. All the metals lie on the left side of the zigzag line, while all the non-metals lie on the right side. So here student, again the modern structure of the modern periodic table includes all these elements are again divided into the 4 blocks. The group first and second, these 2 groups are known as S block elements. These are alkaline earth metal and alkali metals group elements. And the D block elements, P block elements constitute from 13 to 18. 13 to 18 पर्यंतचा ग्रुप जो आहे ते सगळे एलिमेंट्स पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स असतील. अँड द एलिमेंट्स विच आर प्रेझेंट इन द ग्रुप फ्रॉम 3 to 12, all these are D block elements. And at the bottom of the periodic table there are the 2 series lanthanide and actinide. These are known as the F block elements. This is all about the structure of the modern periodic table. As these D block elements are known as these D block elements, students, these D block elements are known as the transition elements, while transition elements and F block elements are known as the inner transition elements. So this is all about the modern periodic law and modern periodic table. So student, we have completed here our next bit, this modern periodic table. Thank you.